Hello, it's Roland Mills, a classically trained opera singer and former starving artist. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to inspire you to make money and build real wealth, so subscribe for more personal finance conversations like this one. Today we're going over a major update leading up to Coinbase going public through a direct listing. This update will give us a preview of the company's future valuation and the share price we can expect when it finally hits the stock market. But stick around to the end because I'll be sharing how I'll be handling this stock once they go public and what major catalysts can cause the stock to either rise to insane heights or plummet. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an opera singer on YouTube sharing what information has worked for me in the hopes that will inspire you to grow your wealth as well. Before we get started, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would just go ahead and just smash that like button. It really helps to spread the word to other people like you. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell thing that's probably right in front of my face so you don't miss out on future tips I'll be dropping along the way. Alrighty then, let's get into it. We just got some juicy updates. Get ready to peek behind the curtain and see what Coinbase's share price could look like once they go public. Before I drop that news on you, let's get our new friends who've just, clicked the like and subscribe buttons up to speed. If you're already a subscriber or have already heard of Coinbase's future on the stock market, skip ahead. I really won't be offended. Maybe one of you can comment below with a timestamp. Coinbase was founded in 2012 and is a fully regulated and licensed cryptocurrency exchange. That's right, you can buy and sell like over 20 types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Tether, and Ethereum using this platform. Coinbase is popular because of its simple, easy to use design, its security, and the limited fees they charge compared to their competitors. Your money is also FDIC insured up to $250,000 if you're a United States citizen. Their security is also top notch. Coinbase secures customer digital currency through a combination of secure online servers and offline cold storage. Coinbase maintains 98% or more of customer digital currency in cold storage, with the remainder in secure online servers as necessary to serve the liquidity needs of their customers. If you're interested in using Coinbase to buy yourself some crypto, use my referral link below in the description and get $10 free. I'm out here just throwing out free money. Now, since I'll be talking about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, let me give you just a quick warning, okay? Every time someone makes a video on YouTube, even slightly related to Bitcoin, scammers spam the comment section with their WhatsApp numbers and try to get you to reach out to them so they can take your money. If you see any comments like this, please protect your fellow YouTubers by responding to that comment with, "This is a scam." After that, reward yourself with 2 free stocks on Webull. That's right, when you fund your account with $100, they'll give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. That's free money, y'all. As I mentioned in an earlier video, Coinbase recently announced their plans to go public through a direct listing. Instead of an initial public offering or IPO, where a company creates new shares of itself for the public to buy, Coinbase has decided to do a direct listing where no new shares of Coinbase will be created. They will only be trading existing outstanding shares. In the meanwhile, Nasdaq's private market is already trading Coinbase stock ahead of the listing. And that brings me to our newest update. Ahead of that direct listing, we have just learned that Coinbase will be valued above $100 billion. That's right. Coinbase could be going public at a higher valuation than Facebook did. Unlike so many of the newest growth stocks to go public, they will actually be profitable from day one. Check out the growth. Back in 2019, they posted a $30 million net loss and $530 million in total revenue. In 2020, those numbers went way up. Their total revenue was $691 million and $141 million of that was profit. That's like a 20% profit margin. imagine. As I mentioned earlier, Nasdaq's private markets have been offering up about 1.8 million shares in weekly batches. This will help Coinbase determine its future share price. Let me break down how this process brought Coinbase's valuation up over 100 billion. Back in 2018, during Coinbase's first venture capital round, they received a valuation of about $8 billion.
It makes sense that they'd at least be moving on that path toward an IPO to capitalize around some of the trends that we're seeing, especially as it relates to some institutional investors validating Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as something that's here to stay, not really going anywhere. As for valuation, unclear at this time. I'm still making calls on that front as for what we can expect from a valuation standpoint. But most recently, the company in a private funding round in October of 2018, so about 2 years ago, was valued at $8 billion. So I think
on January 29th of this year, 2021, the first batch of 75,000 shares sold on Nasdaq's private markets for about $200 a share. That equates to a valuation of almost 54 billion. Huge jump, right? The following 2 weeks had shares selling for $301 and $303 respectively. So already we're up to an $81 billion valuation. Then, just today, or yesterday for you because I filmed this on February 19th, Coinbase sold 127,000 shares at $373 per share, bringing the tentative valuation up to $100.23 billion. It still has about $4 billion to go before it passes Facebook, but at this rate, it may very well steal Facebook's crown. Now, will I be buying this stock? Yes. But not when it goes public. Too many times have I seen companies go public, watch the share price soar, and then the share price just plummets after the hype is passed and institutional investors have started to sell off and take profits. I'm gonna wait for that dip before I buy. Coinbase has a lot working for it, so I highly suspect they will grow. They charge a fee on every transaction. Already in 2021, we're seeing a massive increase in trades of cryptocurrencies, since both the price and the volume of Bitcoin's trading has absolutely skyrocketed. Coinbase stands to capture a ton of revenue piggybacking off of the rise of cryptocurrencies. Stimulus packages may prove another catalyst for Coinbase's growth. The 22% of the current US dollars in circulation was printed just this last year, and we will likely see more this year as we continue to fight the economic decimation that this pandemic brought about. As inflation of fiat currencies keep inflating, stable currencies like Bitcoin will become worth more in relation to the dollar, causing crypto trading to rise and Coinbase to profit even more. Coinbase hasn't announced the date they'll be going public just yet, but if you don't want to miss out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so I can alert you when that happens. Just to summarize today's video, Coinbase is a fully regulated and licensed cryptocurrency exchange that is also FDIC insured up to $250,000 if you're a United States citizen. They are currently extremely secure and have just achieved a very profitable year. Instead of an initial public offering or IPO, where a company creates new shares of itself for the public to buy, Coinbase has decided to go public through a direct listing where no new shares of Coinbase will be created. They will only be trading existing outstanding shares. Prior to this direct listing, Nasdaq's private markets have been offering up about 1.8 million shares in weekly batches. This process helps Coinbase to determine its future share price and valuation. From this process, we have witnessed Coinbase's valuation rise in the space of a month from about 8 billion to over 100 billion, only 4 billion short of breaking Facebook's record for highest initial valuation. My plan is simple. Wait till Coinbase goes public, then keep on waiting till the share price drops. I'll buy it while it's nice and cheap, then hold for at least 3 years. While doing that, I'll sit back, relax, and read a good book like this one, written by my beautiful wife, Jessie Marie. Link below in the description if you're curious. Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you found it educational and entertaining. I'll eventually monetize this channel just so YouTube will blast it out to more people, but I really am not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I truly believe that there must be a way for artists like myself to create without becoming starving artists. Stay tuned for more personal finance tips, reaction videos, and stories from my days as a performer in the future. In the meanwhile, feel free to follow me on Instagram and comment down below if there's a topic you'd like to see me tackle next. Till the next time, I hope you all keep creating and spreading love through your art. That's something that money cannot buy, and it's the best part of the human experience. Much love, y'all. Bye.